Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can earn $75 per hour with Google. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, in today's method, you are going to earn with Google, and what I mean by that is that if you want to make money online in 2020, this is going to be one sure way to earn big bucks online, okay? But if you don't want the skill and it's too much for you, then maybe you want to check out this link over here on my YouTube channel so you can find out what I do online and what you can do online as well if you want to follow my path. But if you want to get more info, it's this video that kind of explains more if you want to check that out. But this is the link that you want to go to if you want to make passive online income, okay? In today's method, you are going to actually learn about Google with Google Skill Shop, okay? So this site right here, how to get to this site, it's Skill Shop. So Skillshop, like up here on the corner, skillshop.withgoogle.com, okay? So if you go to that link, it'll go straight to this page where you can learn about how to do Google Ads, okay? And this is a skill that is really, really high demand, and you can demand a lot of money for it because people who want to advertise online usually have no clue how to do it, and you can come in and be their hero, okay? So, and what is Google going to do? They're going to teach you for free how to do this, and you could get certified. So you could show people that you have a certification, and that is how you're going to build yourself online skills, okay? Remember, if you want to make big money online, you need online skills. So I opened each. So if you look under Google Ads, there are 5 certifications that you can go through, and you can get certified in all 5 of them, which I do highly suggest that you do. So I've opened up each of these, and so for the Google Ads search certification, this takes only 3.5 hours about, okay? And for all of these are for beginners, of course. So you want to go through all the different, this is basically the course right here that takes 3.5 hours to go through. And once you finish it, you can get certified, okay? So that's that one. And this is the display certification. And this is the measurement certification. And there's a video certification and shopping ads certification. Now, these 5 items are the main things that you can do with Google Ads, and that's why they are done this way and taught this way, okay? And if you look at all 5 courses or 5 certifications, literally it's less than 2 days of work. You're talking about 18 hours, so maybe 3 days, okay? If you work really hard, it's 3 days to get certified, which is nothing compared to other school that you need to go to for other skills that you may need, okay? So this is a 3-day workshop basically that you should go through and get certified. And once you are certified, guess what? There are many jobs that are waiting for you because not a lot of people have these skills. So just take a look at Upwork.com. Upwork, these are jobs that people are currently, they're searching for people who have this level of skill. Now, Google PPC AdWords. PPC is just pay per click, which is what AdWords is. So you can see that they want to hire somebody anywhere from $35 to $75 per hour, okay? And here's another Google AdWord here, and this one pays up to $55 per hour, and you're looking at about 10 to 30 hours per week, so that is a lot of money. And this one, see, $40 to $50 per hour here as well. And this is an PPC optimization. It doesn't specify Google, but it has it on the tag. Oh, it's right here. So this one is paying 20 to 30. So this is entry level. This could be for someone like you who just finished the certification. So you can show them that you've been certified, and then they'll take you on because They don't want an agency either. They want an individual like yourself. So that's just one site, okay? There's many other sites. These are postings from Indeed. Indeed.com. You just search Google Ads and see what comes up. So this person or this company is, and this is remote. You see, all these ones should be remote. I have searched for remote, so I'm not sure why this one doesn't say. This one's not remote on this one, but this one is remote, and this is $30 to $40 per hour. And here's another one that is remote, and this is $30 to $65 an hour. Okay. So you can see how you can work up to $65 an hour. And they're saying they want 3 years experience, but there are many other ones, okay? And you can even freelance yourself, and people go on Fiverr.com to look for people who have experience with Google Ads. So these are I searched Google AdWords on here, and these are all the people that have gigs on here, okay? So look, they're starting at $145 per gig. I will set up and manage your Google Ads, AdWords, PPC campaign. And that's just the basic, okay? Then, okay, so it's up to 3 ad groups. Then if you want to add more things, full setup, 2 weeks of management, $395. And premium is 1 month for $495. Full setup and 1 month management. I mean, this is very good rates, okay, for a month. So if you have like a few clients, you could make a lot of money just by doing this, okay? So that is just one of them. And then if you get really good on Fiverr, what they have is something called Pro Verified. So you do have to kind of build up your profile and your portfolio first before you can be a Pro Verified. And in order to do that, you want to probably have just like a web page for yourself so that you seem professional. You need to look professional. So you need to have probably a website about yourself and the work that you've done, and then show some results. See from your past clients, see what you can screenshot for them so that you can show them the work that you've done and the results that you've gotten for other clients. So look at this, starting at $800 to be a Google Ads manager. So this is not chump change, okay? And that's basic. Look at this, $980 and $1,200. So it depends on how much money, and this is on top of the client's spend on the ads themselves. So the company needs to be ready to spend up to $3,500 for this first one, you see. Okay, so the money is really in learning skills and learning high income skills like this, and this is all online and you can work from home. So I hope you like this. This is a definite way for you to make a high amount of money, but you are trading time for money. Even though some of those ads you can just set it and forget it for a little bit, but there is still monitoring that you gotta do. I mean, once the ads are set up, it's not like a whole lot you gotta do every single day, but it is good money, and it's very good for getting clients. But the only thing is that you gotta deal with clients, and that's the part I really don't like. But if you like that and it's paying you good, that's a sure way to build yourself an online, full-time online income, definitely by learning how to be a Google Ads expert. But if you don't want to do that and you want to do something else that more independent, you have no clients, and you still make a full-time online income, check out the second link in my video description. This is what I do, and it's something that you can also learn online skills with, but it has nothing to do with clients, and you're just going to be building your own thing online, your own online business online, and make money that way. So check it out. It's the second link in my video description if you like something like that, so you don't have to deal with clients or customers or anything like that, okay? So I don't do that. And this method, what I do actually creates passive online income, because you are not trading time for money using this method. You could earn any time of the day and work on your own schedule. So that's how it works, and I love it. So I hope you well, check it out and follow my path. It's the second link in the video description. And so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click that free badge, okay? And don't forget, get notified so you can see when my next videos come out. I come out with videos every week, so get notified, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.